civil and structural engineering. At first glance, they seem nearly identical. They both design the infrastructure we rely on every day: buildings, roads, bridges, and more. But when you dig deeper, the two paths diverge in purpose, method, and mindset. If you're thinking about a career in engineering, it's crucial to understand how these fields differ, how they overlap, and which one aligns best with your strengths. In this video, we'll give you a full breakdown of the differences between civil and structural engineering, from their core responsibilities to real-world applications, daily tasks, career routes, and how they collaborate to build the modern world. What is civil engineering? Civil engineering is responsible for designing, building, and maintaining the physical infrastructure of society. This includes roads, railways, airports, water supply, and major structures like dams. In the UK, civil engineers contribute to huge projects like Crossrail and HS2. They consider environmental impact, regulations, and public safety. Their role often spans from planning to site management, making sure infrastructure is functional and sustainable. What is structural engineering? Structural engineering is a focused discipline within civil engineering. It ensures buildings and structures can withstand loads, weather, and usage over time. Structural engineers work on frames, columns, beams, bridges, and towers. They use calculations, design codes, and software to make sure everything is stable and safe. From concept to construction, they make sure structures perform exactly as needed. The key differences. Civil engineers are big-picture thinkers. They plan systems and coordinate the entire infrastructure. Structural engineers go deep. They design specific elements to stand up to loads. On a highway project, the civil engineer may plan the road system, while the structural engineer designs the bridges and retaining walls. Their goals are aligned, but their day-to-day focus is different. They often work side by side to bring a project to life. Civil engineers often work for councils, utilities, or infrastructure firms. They manage large systems and work across diverse sectors. Structural engineers usually work in consultancies, partnering with architects. Their projects range from stadiums to renovations. Both roles offer variety and sometimes overlap, especially in multidisciplinary teams. A civil engineer might begin the day reviewing environmental data or design plans. They attend meetings with clients or councils, resolve site issues, and manage project timelines. They work across disciplines, often juggling design, safety, cost, and public need. It's a role that blends technical problem-solving with big-picture management and communication. Structural engineers focus on precision and safety. Their day might start with calculating the load on a beam or checking a steel frame design. They model structures using software and refine details down to the bolt. They also inspect sites to ensure that what's built matches the drawings. Every calculation matters because lives depend on their accuracy. Both careers usually begin with a degree in civil engineering, usually accredited by ICE or IStructE. In the UK, students may specialize in structures in later years through focused modules. Chartership is the next step. ICE for civil engineers, IStructE for structural. It involves experience, training, and professional exams. It's a key milestone for senior and specialist roles. Can you be both? Yes. Many engineers start in civil and later focus on structural work. Early in your career, the line is blurry. But over time, your interest and project choices guide your path. If you enjoy detailed design, structural fits. If you like managing systems and coordination, civil might be better. When students imagine engineering, they often picture iconic buildings and glamorous projects. The reality includes spreadsheets, meetings, regulations, and hours of fine-tuning. But that's the true reward, knowing something stands because you got it right. It's not always flashy, but it's always important. You build what the world depends on. Both careers are essential. Civil engineers make our cities function. Structural engineers keep them standing. Choose based on what excites you, systems or safety, planning or precision. Either way, you're building the future, and the world needs you more than ever.